Hi guys, hi family, hi everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mina, and I humbly welcome you all guys back to today's video. To my new subscribers, you are welcome. To my OG, you are welcome. Thank you guys for always staying and watching my videos. So you guys, on this channel I do hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, lifestyle content, and DIY. So there's a construction going on at the back of the house. That's why you could hear like pam. So yeah, there's a construction going on. So you guys, the time is 6:45 p.m. and today is the 29th of January 2024. And what I want to do right now is I want to go and cook dinner. So yeah, I wanted to take you guys along with me as I cook dinner for me and my husband. Yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's grow this channel. So come with me to the kitchen as I go cook. So what I'm cooking tonight, I'm cooking Indomie. So the bulk buying that I went to do, hey, these people, like seriously, the bulk buying that I went to do, all my things are almost like finished. So I don't have vegetables at the house right now. So what I have is just onion, like onion. We really love onion, but that's what we have much in this house. You guys, let me end it because these people, they're not comporting themselves. So let's go to the kitchen and just go and cook, okay? I'm in the kitchen. The lighting here is very poor because of the time. The weather is getting a bit darker. I hope you guys will just pardon me and just manage the video for now. Like please manage this for me. So yeah, let me show you what I'm going to use in cooking the Indomie. Nothing serious, just normal regular noodles. So you guys, I have with me my Indomie, my eggs, sardine, onion, pepper, salt. Then my oil is almost finished. So yeah, so let's start cooking. Guys, my water is on. I just took off the stew. This one is also boiling. of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I just brought my husband's food and he's enjoying it. I'm sweating. So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.